back, guys. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're working on the 240. Let's explain what we're doing today, because we are not working on the Miata. In the last video you saw that we did the compression test on the Miata and it went super well, and we're just looking for brakes so we can put it on there on the Miata so we can go and drive it around, have some fun with it. And after that we will be taking the engine out the Miata. And before I start saying any more, we are taking the engine out of the S14. For the reason why is because I really want to do some stuff in the engine bay, clean it up, make it more smooth, clean up the wiring, stuff like that, just to make it easier for me whenever I need to find stuff, or if there's something wrong with the engine, I would know right away where to look and stuff like that. It helps you a lot. And when you do stuff like this, prepare. Always double check your work, always double check everything you do, because if you screw up, then you're gonna be going back and forth in a pickle jar. Pretty much. So write everything down. Right here, I wrote everything down for me. Label everything, remove engine trans, clean engine bay, paint engine bay, sand, install engine trans, and fix harness. But I'm pretty sure there's more stuff to do. Right now, I just got done labeling and I'm rerouting the wire out of the engine so I can fix it up. I would like to shorten it a little bit and fix stuff like this, because this is the original harness from the transmission. And I like to fix up stuff and take off some connectors that we don't need anymore, stuff like that. This isn't gonna be a how-to video, so I'm gonna just go real quick and go through some stuff. I'm not really gonna show anything. Maybe when I get the harness out, I'll go over there and do some stuff with the harness. And when we come to taking the engine out, I'll probably film stuff of taking the engine out. But the thing I really want to do is once we get into the engine bay, I would like to show you guys what we're going to cut and clean up the engine bay and stuff like that. That's pretty much what we're doing for today's video. So, the entire engine harness is out of the engine bay. The thing is, I do not want to take it out from the dash, so I'm gonna leave it on the hood and probably work on it on the hood. It'll make it easier for me. So what I'm gonna do is probably fix all these wires, take the ones I don't need off, and use like this material, if I can find it, I think it's in here. This material to make it more smoother, more like sleek, make it look better basically when I put it back onto the engine. Now I gotta cut all this bad like old stuff off. These I don't have to. These I'll probably just throw it on right away. But you see how I had to wrap up all this, because this harness is really long, and I still have like a lot of stuff. I gotta fix all of this shit, all this stuff right here, and I do not want to cut it and unsplice it, because everything is like, it's just a mess, and I just really want to clean it up bad. But I don't know if I'm gonna start getting ready to take the engine out today. Maybe if Jose comes by, because I still have to take off the fuel stuff. Actually, it's kind of ready. I just have to unbolt the headers on both sides, the fuel stuff, and that's pretty much it. See, this is the rust place I was talking about, the notorious rust for where the battery is. And yeah, we're gonna cut that out so we can make the intake tube longer so it can go down there. And then I will figure out what I'm gonna do with the fuse box. I would like to reroute it into the dash to make it a little easier. I know I'm gonna have to cut the pipes on the exhaust because it's fully straight pipe, and that's the only way to get this engine out, unless I can pry back the headers and then have enough room to take out the engine. Oh yeah, I forgot, we have to take the radiator out and stuff like that. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day number 2. Turn that shit down, Jose. I ain't trying to get what is it called? I'm not even there yet. But anyways, I got done yesterday with doing the wire harness, the engine harness, and it came out pretty good. We've been working all day trying to get all this stuff organized and situated so we can take out the engine. So let me show you the harness real quick. All right, so all last night, this is what I did. Pretty much shortened the 1UZ engine harness. This motherfucker. Okay. Nah, it's okay. But anyways, This fucking dude. But anyways, let me talk over him. I shortened the 1UZ engine harness and I put wire loom over it, all over it, to make it more cleaner and more easier to know what the hell I'm doing with this, because it was jank. Like all these harnesses, all these wires were just everywhere, and basically I cleaned it up. It looks way better than before I got shit on my shorts. Looks way better than the original harness that I was working with. So that's pretty much it. And right now we are getting ready to take out the 1UZ. Oh, we also took out the dash because I fixed up all the wires in there. We're getting ready to take out the 1UZ. And after we take out the 1UZ, we're basically gonna clean the entire engine bay. Jose's over here doing some janky shit.
Hell no.
You gotta make it wider. Okay, anyways, back to what I was saying. Once we take this engine out, we are cutting out the rust right here, and we are cleaning the entire engine bay, sanding it down, and getting it ready to paint it. We have the drive shaft out, we have the fuel system out, and that's pretty much it. After we're done with that, we are gonna start taking apart the fuse box harness and relocate it to inside the compartment over here. In here, yeah, it's just nothing but a mess in here. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. Started Friday and today's Saturday, so I think I've done a lot in like not even, because I got here at 5 yesterday, worked till yeah, a day and a half. Jose's right, he's right. So yeah, so guys, if you believe in yourself, you can do it. But I think we're gonna fuck up and the engine's gonna blow up when we put it back in.
It tastes good, but it's not like sweet. It's like, it wants to be sweet.
It's gonna give you energy. You're gonna go Super Saiyan. But anyways, guys, I'll come back to y'all once we have the engine out, and after that, we'll probably end the video and put everything up, and yeah. Oh my god, Jose almost fell. Dude, the fucking bag just fell into the drain pan. What the hell?
Like,
no way. Hey, now when I put it back in, guys, that means I did an S14 1UZ swap by myself.
yeah, okay. It's funny.
What? When I pushed it?
No, the fucking bag.
Oh, dude, yeah, dude, I can't believe that bag just. Damn, now my fucking brain. But it's all good. We finally got it out. Can't believe I did this all by myself. Alright guys, I'll check you out on the next vlog. One more thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog.